Hello dear students, good morning. In today's video we're going to study about the narration, that is direct speech and indirect speech. So let us begin this video. Narration and direct and indirect speech. So first of all, let us understand what is this narration. Actually, this narration, it is a art of reporting the words of a speaker, or also you can say this is the way of reporting the words of a speaker. And moreover, this is a process in which a person narrate each and every words of speaker. So how? Let us understand this narration. For an example, this is Ravi and next one is Vinod. So Ravi is speaking to Vinod direct, face to face. Each and everything he is speaking to Vinod. So the Vinod next goes to for an example, Raju. This Vinod goes to Raju and narrate each and everything what was said by this Ravi. Now this Vinod, he goes to Raju and he narrates each and everything what was said by Ravi. So this process is known as narration. So I hope you understood. Now next we will study the types of narration. Types of narration. Actually, in the English grammar, we have two types of narration. That is direct and indirect speech. Now let us understand what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. So dear students, in the direct speech, what we do exactly? We narrate each and every word of a speaker as it is. We narrate each and everything, everything said by a speaker, as it is. As it is means the same to same we narrate as it is in the direct speech. Moreover, in the direct speech you will see those reported speech in the double inverted commas. Now in the next indirect speech. In the indirect speech, what we do exactly? In the indirect speech, we narrate or we report the words of speaker, in our own words, So let us understand this portion with the help of again this graphic explanation. See this, see once again over here, dear students. Again, let us come to this picture I have drawn over here. See here, Ravi. For an example, this Ravi says to Vinod. Let me write. Let me write over here. Here I will write. Ravi said to Vinod, comma, double inverted comma, I am driving a car. So look at here, for an example, this Ravi says, Ravi says, said to Vinod, what? Ravi is driving. Direct he is telling to Vinod. Now this Vinod goes to Raju. This Vinod goes to Raju and he starts to narrate what the Ravi is doing or what the Ravi was doing. So he goes to Raju and he began to narrate. What he began to narrate? That he was driving, means this Ravi was driving. So in the indirect speech, this Vinod will narrate to Raju in his own words. I hope you understood what I mean to say. Now see here, Ravi, this said to will be converted, told. Ravi told Vinod, in order to remove this double inverted commas, as you know, we use that conjunction, that in the place of I am, he was driving a car. That means here this Vinod, he narrated everything in his own words. So I hope you understood what is the direct speech, what is indirect speech. So in the next video, we will understand some of the general rules and regulations of narration.